What's up, guys?
In today's video, we're going to be shooting a catapult.
We're going to be shooting Da Vinci's catapult. Let's get this video started. So today we are going to be talking about Leonardo da Vinci. Do you know who Leonardo da Vinci is?
No.
No? Do you guys know who Leonardo da Vinci is? This is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was alive from 1452 to 1519. Leonardo da Vinci was a painter, a scientist, an engineer, and an inventor. You might know him from some of his paintings, like this one right here. This is a picture of the Last Supper, and this picture right here, he's really famous for this picture. This is the Mona Lisa. He is also known for his drawings and studies in anatomy, physiology, his inventions, and his engineering. Some of his earliest drawings and designs have paved the way for a lot of modern tools and a lot of modern machines that we use. Like this one right here. This one was called the flying machine, and it paved the way for the airplane. This design right here paved the way for the helicopter. You can see how it kind of had this rotating propeller. And most importantly, one of his designs paved the way for what we are doing today, and it is Da Vinci's catapult. This is another STEM kit from National Geographic, so let's get this thing open and see if we can't build a catapult for you guys.
I'm gonna try to open it. Okay.
All right.
Oh, I got I got a catapult.
Oh, look at this. So it's got a wooden sheet that you can knock out other pieces so we can build our catapult.
Oh, more pieces.
More pieces and rubber bands.
And wheel.
And we got some little targets to set up that we're going to shoot at. So right here, you can see that your kit's going to include the laser cut wooden parts, 8 wood projectiles, 1 piece of sandpaper, 4 rubber bands, 6 targets, and 1 learning guide with instructions. This is Riker getting everything opened up.
Are you
getting it open?
I need something to poke this.
How about you get these open?
Yeah,
get those open.
Like, these are easier. These types feel like those blocks that you can play with.
They do?
You know the stacking blocks?
Oh yeah, the Lincoln logs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, have y'all ever played with Lincoln logs? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop all these parts off. Okay, now that we got everything broken off of the little wooden piece they are, this is what it looked like when you break everything off. Let's go ahead and get into the instructions and get this catapult put together.
Okay.
Let me cover up Riker for a little bit. You can see where there's going to be 14 steps to put this catapult together. And it also gives you a little learning guide about the Da Vinci machines and all the little things that he created. This one probably is going to be about the catapult. It's got a lot of cool information about Da Vinci. They even have pictures of the catapult in here that Da Vinci designed. So let's go ahead and get this thing built so we can check it out ourselves.
Wait, I think you have to...
All right, step number 1, break all the pieces. We did that. So on step number 2, we're going to be building the catapult's arm, and you can see where it tells you right here. Oh, it tells you right here all the pieces that you're going to need to build this catapult's arm. So let's go ahead and get this built. Oh, there it is. We need 2 of those. We need 2 of those.
2?
2 of those. Now we need the one that looks like the Millennium Falcon.
Oh.
Found it? Yep, that's the one. All right, let's see.
If y'all watch Star Wars, you know the show.
You know the show, Millennium Falcon. Look, guys, it just does look like a Millennium Falcon. So if you're out buying one of these kits and you want it to be pretty permanent, go ahead and pick you up some wood glue. But it is not, you don't need it, but it does recommend that you have it. Because you can see all these instructions where you see the water dots right here, that's where it's instructing you to use the wood glue. According to that booklet, you can see down here where the wood glue is not included. It's recommended, but not required.
You're gonna need wheels.
On the bus go round and round.
Like that? No, like this.
No, like that. There it goes. So that's the first piece we got right there,
that
guys.
Looks like a race car. You need this stuck looking thing? Do you need both of them to go in there? Where's that page thing?
All right, this is where we're at so far, right here. And I think we used all the pieces.
This has to go there and that has to go in.
I know, I already did that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There you go. Next. Ooh, we're going to have to build this thing. All right, so look what we need. We need 2 of the triangles.
2 triangles.
So get 2 triangles. There we go. All right, good job. You got the 2 triangles. All right, we need the one that looks like it has an X. We need the one that looks like an X. Close.
It's like.
Right. Good job. These two right here, based on the drawing, the short side, so this is the short side, is actually the front. So this is going to be the front for my side. So that means,
I have a weight.
So that means this one's going to be a front for this side. So here is what half of it's going to look like.
Still have a lot more pieces to go.
All right. Here is what we have. Now that we got it all connected, there's the first parts of our catapult.
Look at this. It's like a trifort.
Okay.
It's like a trifort.
Next thing we're going to do, we are going to connect these two pieces together using one of the wheels. There. All right, and that's what we got.
Yeah, but we need another
And then we'll just put the other wheel on.
And then we got easy.
And then we got the front wheel on our catapult. And
now
it's connected already.
Rubber band. Now we need a rubber band though.
Ooh, we're actually going to use this. It looks like it's going to be the latch. So we're going to use that and another, and another wheel. There. All right, and that's what we're at now.
And now I can roll.
So next,
I got two rubber bands.
we are connecting the rubber bands. There's two rubber bands left. So the first one, we're gonna hoop it around one of these. So just loop it around there. We're gonna go underneath the catapult, like this, just like that. And then we're gonna loop it back around on this side. Got them connected around these. It's connected under this. You can't really see it. What's up?
Now what do we need?
So now this has a spring action. You can see where it'll spring. So when we bring it all the way back,
how far can it go?
Let's show Riker when we bring it all the way back, we use the latch to catch it, like that.
Oh,
and then you just pull the latch back, and then it flings it. But first, we have to connect the latch with the last rubber band. The last rubber band is gonna connect right under here. There it goes. So now, I can actually show you where that rubber band came up from underneath and clamped underneath this one. So you just bring all this down, it clicks in place, you undo that, and then it shoots it. There's a lot of these things we punched out. All we're gonna do is just connect them like that.
I punched some out.
Like that. Riker punched a bunch of them out.
Bunch.
It creates these little catapult balls. And that's what we're gonna shoot. Don't shoot it yet, okay?
Oh, Dad, what if we made a real one and we put 100 of these in it? And
that would be cool, yeah.
That would be actually cool, guys. What if we did that? Yo.
Now that we have 8 catapult balls, we are getting ready to test this thing out just to see how far it shoots for you guys. And we'll just get us a little target for some target practice. Riker's just standing there. He's gonna be the first one to give it a quick launch and to see how far it goes. Where it's going.
Oh!
Golly, where'd that go? Way over here.
Watch out, I'm gonna put another ball. Oh!
Whoa!
Watch out, I have 2 in.
Oh, you better focus really good. What do you think about the catapult? It's pretty cool?
Cool.
It is cool?
Yeah.
Oh!
Hopefully you didn't hit that.
Yeah.
Because I heard a ding in that, and this is like wood.
Guys, this was us doing Da Vinci's Catapult. We really hope you enjoyed this video. But other than that, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.
Bye!